So listen students, good morning all of you. So in the classification of oral solid dosage forms, that is our running topic. So in our classification of oral solid dosage forms, the tablets, capsules, powders and granules, these are the 4 solid dosage forms are there. So in that the tablet topic was completed in last class. So now we are going to discuss about the second solid dosage form, capsule. A capsule is a unit solid dosage form that contain solid or semi-solid fill in a gelatin capsule. So what are the excipients present in a capsule? So the excipients are simply the 2 kinds of excipients are present in a capsule. First one is gelatin. So the gelatins are commonly used for the gelling a substance or gelling agents. So these gelling agents will give appropriate flow rate to the capsule into the esophagus to the stomach. So the gelatin is necessary to administration of the capsule into a free flowing of active pharmaceutical ingredient. And the second excipient is the plasticizer. The plasticizer are to ensure the elasticity or mechanical stability. So you know about that elasticity. Elasticity means all are the plasticizer. It is an excipient present in a capsule. These plasticizers which ensure the elasticity. With the elasticity which gives a peristaltic with adjustment. So the plasticizers are adjusted themselves into the peristaltic movement into the esophagus. So the plasticizers are used in a and these the plasticizers are provide the mechanical stability of a capsule. So the main additives present in a capsule is the preservatives. The preservatives are used to preserve the capsule for a long time, and the coloring agents. The coloring agents gives appropriate color to administration into the administration according to the pharmacological response and effect. And the sweetening agents, these sweetening agents to mask the taste. If the capsule is in bitter taste and the plasticizer or the gelatin which have a bitter taste, these sweetening agents are sweeteners having this component of sugar or the sweet substance which mask the bitter taste and which gives a free swallowing of the capsules. So all the additives, what are the main excipients are present? Gelatins, plasticizers, preservatives, coloring agents and the sweetening agent. These are the agents present in a capsule. So how many types of capsules are present? How many types of capsules are present in a pharmaceutical era? So in that the 2 types of capsules are present, hard gelatin capsules and soft gelatin capsules. So hard gelatin capsules, the capsule which has 2 parts. One is cap and another one is shell. So the structure of capsule having the like this conical structure, half conical structure of the capsule which have a minimum additives or minimum active pharmaceutical ingredient. So this active pharmaceutical ingredient having the medicament which gives optimum effects and minimum side effects or minimum adverse effects. So in this is a cap portion. So this is a cap and this is a shell. So these both words are becoming a capsule, a word capsule. So the portion of the shell is containing the active pharmaceutical ingredient or a medicament which having which will produce the optimum or desired effect against the disease or microorganism. So the capsules are provide main the advantages of capsule administration is it has 2 types of dose. It has 2 types of medicament which have to administration which are to administer into the gastrointestinal tract. So in that the solid dosage the solid powder medicament or solid powder active pharmaceutical ingredient, and then the semi-solid or liquid or semi-liquid or the oily or the suspended particle, the suspended active pharmaceutical ingredient which dissolved in a oil is also contained a capsule. So according to the material, according to the physical state of active pharmaceutical ingredient, the capsules are divided or classified into two kinds. The two types of capsules are hard gelatin capsules and soft gelatin capsules. So the hard gelatin capsules are used for the dry powder ingredient or dry powder active pharmaceutical ingredient. For example, the anti-diabetic drugs or any other. For suppose antibiotics, antiseptics, analgesics, painkillers, etc. are the dry powder ingredient having hard gelatin capsules. The soft gelatin capsules which are used for the semi-solid dosage are suspended or dissolved in oil. So the soft gelatin capsules which are having a soft portion inside and the outer portion which will little bit harder than the hard gelatin capsule. So the soft gelatin capsules having the active pharmaceutical ingredient which is solid or semi-solid or oily substance, means the substance which suspended or dissolved in a oil is known as the oily substance which is present inside the soft gelatin capsule. So the capsules are broadly divided into two kinds, hard gelatin capsules and the soft gelatin capsules. So the classification of oral solid dosage forms, the capsule is a unit solid dosage form that contain a solid or semi-solid or a gelatin in a capsule is known as a capsule. So students, all of you listen this.